Hi everyone, we are working on activity book 12.4. We're doing some grammar and we're talking about irregular verbs. And those irregular verbs are say, make, go, take, and come. So this is the present tense form of those verbs. Sometimes in a sentence, I'm going to give you the other forms. Remember, if it's future tense, a lot of times we put will in front of a word, and that makes it in the future tense. So this is present tense. Say becomes said in the past tense, right? Make is made. Go becomes went. Take becomes took. And come becomes came. Now, they're called irregular verbs because the prefix ir, means not. So they're not regular. We have to change the spelling of the word completely. So you're going to go through haste makes waste, and the verb that they have in parentheses, you're going to decide, is it future tense, present tense, or past tense? For example, it does a person good to learn from past mistakes. Yesterday, as I was getting ready for school, Mother blanked to me, remember to get your homework from the kitchen table and put it in your backpack. So does it make sense to say Mother will say, future tense, Mother say, or Mother said? It makes sense to say said because they said yesterday. So it's in the past tense. So we're using said. Please spell these words correctly. I will mark them wrong if they're not spelled correctly because they're all at the top of the page. And your writing needs to be neat. So you're filling in those blanks on here. On the back, please don't forget to do the back. They've given you some information for 3 sentences. So in number 1, the subject is Brian. So Brian is who the sentence is about. The verb you're going to use is make in the present tense. Okay? So you might add an S to that word or you might keep it make. You need to decide that. Number 2, the subject is we and the verb is say in the future tense. Number 3, the subject is the black and white skunk, and the verb is come in the past tense. So make sure you do and submit both sides of 12.4.